Welcome back to Markup Satisfaction, home of the Capture Gang, where we never give financial advice, always do our own research, and capture wealth in all of its amazing forms. My name is Victor. We're going to talk about a few things today. First, we're going to go ahead and look at Bitcoin real quick. So, this is what we're looking like on the daily. You know, we had a little redistribution up here after we made some minuscule all-time highs. Okay. Made about 6% of an all-time high. Then we came back down. You know, some people are kind of worried right now, but when you come and look at this on a 4-hour, we are beginning to make a higher high. Okay, so we have made a higher high. Let's just see if if this keeps up its short-term momentum. Honestly, though, I'm not really too worried about the charts because the charts, they're not really reflecting value at this point right now in the bull run. Like, there's so many amazing projects doing so many amazing things, but they're not getting the pumps that they really should be. And part of that is because of market manipulation, and part of it is because of meme coins, which, in my opinion, is another form of market manipulation. So this is how this works, right? And I talked about this on my last video. You know, we have Bitcoin doing stuff, right? Or whatever crypto doing whatever. And then, it has a strong dump and they say shakeout. It's a shakeout. Okay? Hold strong. All right, yes, that is a form of a shakeout. But now what we're seeing is amazing projects that are going to change the world. We're going to label it with a U for utility. Utility coins. They're going to change the world. Well, they don't want you buying the utility coins because they want to keep buying the utility coins. So what they're going to do is, and I'm not saying every single garbage coin is made by people manipulating the market. Like, yes, a lot of them are scams and rug pulls just to steal your money. And those are people who are being thieves. But you do have a group of people who are making coins, and a lot of them are sticking around. Like, you'll see them, like, they're not rug pulls, they're just there because they're meant to stay there. They're meant to stay there and look appealing and give people hopium so that they could put their money there and not into the utility coins. So we're going to label it with an M for meme. They want you to put your money here into the meme coins. So they want you to put your money here to keep your money out of here, so that these good charts, they looked like this a couple months ago, and now they're kind of looking like this. They want these good charts to look like this for as long as possible, right there. And they want these meme charts. They want these meme charts to look like this. Obviously they come out and they just go straight to the moon, and then, they come down a little bit. But for the most part, they want these meme charts to just keep looking like this, and not, they don't actually look exactly like this. Like, nothing's ever just going to go continuously up. But that's how they want this stuff to look. Because they want you to put your money here so that you can get rich, right? And some people do good. If you know what you're doing, you can profit massively from these kinds of projects. But they want you to allocate your funds here. They want to onboard you into crypto because you need to be into crypto. They're going to have these people in crypto. So they're getting a double whammy. They're onboarding people into crypto. Everyone's making wallets so that they could go buy a dog coin, right? So they're onboarding people into crypto, but then they're also keeping their money out of here and having them put money into here, because this is more sexy, more appealing, because you can make more money. So this is a different kind of shakeout. And then eventually one day, these coins, these garbage coins, are going to go like this. I'm not saying all of them will, but they're going to go like this, and they're never going to come back. And these coins are just going to go and they're never going to come back either. And they're going to change the world, and they're going to be used everywhere. They're going to be very important. You're going to have to use these. It's not going to be there's like you have to use the internet, right? Most people now have to use Google Chrome, or else some of the things at work are not going to function correctly. You see what I'm saying here? You will not be able to escape these coins, the good ones. You're gonna have to use them. No options. Let's look a little deeper into this now. So, November 17th, so a couple days ago, Stellar Lumens XLM posted MoneyGram and SDF have hit the first major milestone in the partnership by launching a live cash in and deposit out pilot in the US. Guys, this is big news. Like these and this stuff is happening every single day with these really good blue chip projects. And I saw a comment down here. Look at this guy. Look at this person. This person says, and the price of XLM tumbles again. This coin is cursed, I swear. Well, there was another comment that said, and yet the coin still doesn't move, still doesn't pump. One of the it literally said most disappointing project of the bull run or something like that. And you got to understand, that's a short-term view. Like these views right here, this coin is cursed. Such a short-term view. People who invested in Amazon and Apple were not looking for pumps in short amounts of time. They knew that they were getting into a long-term 5 to 10 year investment. And some of those people are still holding their stocks all the way from way back whenever they did invest. And they are pretty wealthy right now if they got to put in a pretty penny. Even you don't even have to put in a pretty penny at these prices. You know what I mean? So when I look at this, right? Let's go next one. Hedera Hashgraph connected with Ethereum and Polygon. Hashport interoperability protocol links Hedera Hashgraph to Ethereum and Layer 2 solution Polygon, November 8th. And like I said, this kind of news is coming out every single day for these really good coins. And I'm not telling you to go do anything. I'm just saying, and there's tons of other news coming out for tons of other projects. I'm not trying to shill anything. I'm just saying, I'm just giving you examples, right? Hashport has launched an interoperability protocol revolutionizing interactions between the Hedera Hashgraph network and Ethereum blockchain. Digital assets will move freely between the decentralized networks, enabling collectibles such as NFTs to be transferred to the high-speed Hedera network. They're literally talking about onboarding people from Ethereum to Hedera. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. But let's go look at their chart. Man. Let's see, where's November 8th at? November 8th. This candle right here is November 8th. So that news came out. We went up a little bit in this channel, and then somehow, some way, somehow, we came down, and now we're outside of this channel. Like, this is so funny. This is so crazy. It's so funny. Like, are you serious? Like, are you serious? Transferred to the high-speed Hedera network. Wow. Absolutely wow. Of course they want to dump this coin. They want to FUD the heck out of it. This coin's not even integrated onto most wallets yet. So what do we see here? Strong news, not reflected in the charts. Not reflected in the charts. So what does that say to me? That kind of shows me a kind of divergence in this market right now. And it honestly gives us all such an amazing opportunity to be able to, especially if you know how to, do things with the meme coins, be able to make some massive gains off the meme coins and then go ape some money into these utility projects that will be around in 5 to 10 years. It gives us such an amazing opportunity to get in on these projects at such low prices. Like, Oh, what are you talking about? Low prices. Like, I wish I got in over here. Yeah, so does everyone. I wish that I got in over here. So what? And I literally had the opportunity to. Someone I follow on Twitter was talking about H bar when it was at these prices. I just didn't know what I didn't know, right? Whatever. I wish I could have got in down here. I'm gonna wait till it gets down here again, guys. It might never come back to those prices. This is why we dollar cost average. This is why you put in an initial investment that you're comfortable with, and then you just dollar cost average as you can. Because, oh man, in reality, listen, 5 to 10 years, this coin really does what we want it to. This is how this chart is gonna look. This is how, like, this coin's gonna be up at $20, and this chart's gonna look like this, like literally. And you're gonna be saying at $20, oh, I wish I got in down here. You know what I mean? Come on. We saw this happen with Shiba. And I'm not trying to shill any meme coins. I'm not telling you to go buy SHIB because I'm not. I'm not telling you to do that. But when we look at SHIB, you know, people wanted, when SHIB was at, let's say was at this price right here. I wouldn't buy it up here like this is extended, right? But when SHIB was at these prices, people were like, oh, I wish I got in down here. I'm going to wait till it gets back down here. But then they buy it. But then, then it goes up here and they're like, oh, I wish I got in when I did. And then you fast forward and now look at it. That's just a quick example. It's not the best example. It's just a quick example. So I think I beat that. I think I beat that like a dead horse. I think you guys understand the point I'm trying to make here. All right, so moral of the story. What do you see? What do we see? We see a very elaborate shakeout happening with the meme coins and the market dumping and the redistribution the way it's happening at the highest, okay? And we see all these amazing utility coins, all of these amazing projects that are going to change the world, not really pumping the way they should be. So strong fundamentals being released, but not being reflected on the charts. What does that equal? Strong fundamentals that are not being reflected on the charts equals massive opportunity to get in before these things get adopted. And I'm not saying they will. I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know if Hedera is going to be around in 5 to 10 years. I think it will. That is my belief. I can't know that for sure though. We can't predict these markets. All we can do is react. That's it. Can't predict the market. You can only react. But like I said, this is a nice short video. There's a massive opportunity in these utility coins. Go find the good ones. Go find the ones that you understand and that you believe, and you will do very, very well. Buy a good little initial investment, dollar cost average. Keep a certain amount that you're willing to sell on the way up so that you could have some liquid cash to continue diversifying your portfolio, and keep the rest on a hardware wallet, and don't touch it for 5 years. Come back in 5 years and look at it. With that being said, that's all I have today. If you guys got value from this video, please hit that like and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. And until next time, peace.